Lately I've been thinking about the end of time and whether I could write a song so true that you.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Fish Hunt Northwest. We're here in the kitchen for the recipe of the week with Chef Kelly. As usual, I see you have a lot going on.
Yes, we're going to make an appetizer called Dungeness crab sopes with a red chili crema.
Sopes with a red chili crema.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Sopes are this right here. This is so what it is the same stuff you would make tamales with. You would use masa, but we're going to make it a little more like Play-Doh texture.
That's not masaka?
No, not masaka. Oh my God. I can't work in these conditions.
Oh geez, okay. All right, I'll try to do better next time, Chef.
Okay, so let's make our masa. So the masa, you know, each one's kind of a little bit different. This is a dry powder, and you're just gonna add some water and a little bit of salt, and there you go. And what we're shooting for is kind of like a Play-Doh texture. You can see it's kind of firm, you know, just like that, okay?
Play-Doh that Harper could eat.
Yeah, you can eat it raw.
We don't want to go that. Maybe we won't have her help.
Yeah, right?
Trying to get her not to eat that stuff.
So usually what I do is I kind of press it together to make it come together first, and then I kind of work on the edges.
Okay.
So you want to really exaggerate that edge, because when you fry it, it kind of gets knocked down because the center kind of tries to puff up. You'll see what I mean.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're just kind of, don't want any cracks. That's just cracks are no bueno.
Bueno.
No bueno.
No bueno. Bueno.
Okay.
Ah.
Now you can go to the Mexican market and buy sopes already made. I'm not a big fan of them. I like making my own.
Of course you do, Chef.
And to pick them up, you just use your knife.
Wow.
And there you go.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. We're going to go ahead and start frying that guy up.
Okay.
Right there. Okay? So while that's frying, we're going to work on our Dungeness crab salad. So I have about 1/4 pound of picked Dungeness crab meat.
Okay.
And today we are not going to use mayonnaise with our crab meat. We're going to do something a little bit different.
Oh.
And we're going to use about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Make sure we season.
Salt.
I use kosher salt.
Kosher salt.
Okay. About 2 tablespoons of red bell pepper. Just want a little bit of color, yeah.
Yeah.
About a tablespoon of diced cilantro. And we'll just do like a teaspoon and a half of of lime juice.
Lime juice.
Okay.
You're making crab salad.
Yes.
Yes.
1 shallot, finely diced, or brunoise is what's really called. Yes, that's what it's called.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
You know, you could throw out anything, and I believe you.
It's okay.
When it comes to cooking, Chef.
I've seen the
Only
Bigfoot.
when it comes to cooking.
Okay, so I like a lot of avocado, so we're going to add it in at the end so we don't make guacamole out of this thing. And
Show them what that looks like.
All right, nice color in there. A little lighter than, you know, adding, you know, mayonnaise in there.
Right.
You know, a little healthier. How's our sope look?
It's coming up in the middle. Like you said, puffing a little bit.
Yeah, he's almost there.
Okay.
Okay, we'll keep an eye on it. Okay, so our red chili is going to be Quajilo. Yeah, that's pronounced Quajilo. The G is.
I'm surprised you didn't ask me to pronounce it first. Thank you.
I'm being nice nowadays, okay?
Well,
okay.
I was reading the back of this. See?
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
So just take your chilies and kind of break them open and dump out your seeds, and then you're going to boil them in about a cup of water until they're soft. Then puree them and then strain it. Make sure you strain it so it's nice and smooth, just like this.
Because the skin is
the
not
skin's
good.
tough.
Yeah.
Right?
And you can get these just in your grocery store in the Mexican aisle.
Yep,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Yep.
Okay, so now we're going to make our red chili crema. That guy's already done. Yeah, if you could put him in there.
Sure.
And put some salt on him. Okay, so we're going to call it
Come on.
3 tablespoons of the red chili paste, okay? And then about 1/3 of a cup of sour cream. You can also use Mexican sour cream. It's also called crema. But today we're just using regular sour cream.
Oh, I put a hole in that one.
Oh,
Good thing you
man.
made some other ones.
I can't take you anywhere.
I know it. You can't trust me with this stuff.
Okay, just like a teaspoon of lime juice. We'll add a little bit of cilantro for color.
Yeah, and just so that they know,
Make sure you season it too.
when you made these earlier, those ones that we cooked, you put them in here.
Yeah, if you want to get ahead and make some, make sure that you cover them with a wet, damp paper towel.
Okay.
And then wrap them up, because if they dry out, they get too crispy and not crispy in a good way.
Okay.
Kind of thing, okay?
Yeah.
So, all right.
Okay.
And there's our red chili crema. Let's just taste it first.
Okay.
Make sure that we got salt and. Oh, it's delicious.
Of course.
Nailed it.
Nailed it.
Okay, we're gonna put just a little bit down in the middle, act as our kind of glue. Kind of there, like that.
Yeah.
Okay. That looks horrible, I know.
Oh, can't wait to dig into that one. All of them, I guess.
Right?
Yes.
Just something different from your typical, mayonnaise-based crab salads. So we'll put a little bit extra, a little bit around. Okay.
I'm keeping this fork really close.
You sure now?
Yep.
You said you're a keto, you know.
Okay, I'll just have the crab salad.
Yeah, sure. I'm gonna watch you.
That's how I usually go about it, right?
Right? Okay, guys. So this is our crab salad sopes with red chili crema. It's delicious. A really easy appetizer. You can do it.
Yeah,
and
quick
some
and
people,
easy.
Some people will use this as an entree too.
Oh yeah, I would.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, well, we're gonna go ahead and dig in, and we're gonna shoot it back to you guys in the studio.
Lately I've been thinking about the end of time